Tell us a little bit about those, Josh, and also the certifications or credentials that are tied to that.
Yeah, so what's key to USI is we have two verticals of the company, commercial and academic. It is identical. The certifications we offer inside of the corporate world are identical to what's being offered in education. And that was on purpose, right? You want to create relevancy behind the workforce that's being created in academia to the workforce and their use. And so from a train the trainer perspective, we have corporations today that will actually license the curriculum and training programs. Their instructors will be certified as instructors through USI. They can actually deliver those programs locally. The point of instruction is being able to deliver a program in a standardized fashion. But at the end of the day, the student still has to validate their knowledge through third-party certification. And so it doesn't matter who the instructor is. It matters that they can pass the competency through third-party proctored credential, certification. So today we have alignments into companies. The primary levels really align to electric utility, agriculture, public safety, and infrastructure would probably be the major utilizers of certifications. The pilots that are inside of the corporate companies today are using the exact same primary certifications. Real estate's another one. They're using the same exact certifications that a student is earning at the high school level in the primary track. And that's on purpose, because our message to students is, look, as you come out of secondary education, this is a very technical field, meaning you can go be a maintenance technician, you can go be a pilot, or you can join the industry. But having industry certifications that tie back to the requirements of corporate industry, that alignment is driven through relevancy of you've been certified to fly. The skill set validation is one of the most important things that companies are now realizing is required. If you have 200 or 300 pilots within a corporation, you need to be driving a skill-based standard that says, look, we have 300 pilots. We need everyone trained and standardized in how we deploy that technology internally to mitigate the risk profile we have with all these, again, going back to the beginning of our conversation, all these different cultures that are coming into the space, because we're all looking at this technology differently. And 300 individuals, you have a lot of ab initio learners that weren't from aviation or technology, now flying drone technology. Going back to ROI and the cost structure, we want to align everything that we do in a technology side. Why do we go in complete training? We complete training because training is going to help ensure that our operation is sustainable into the future. It's not a 6-month program that will crash an aircraft and suddenly the whole thing shutters. We have a program that we're maintaining the equipment. Our pilots are standardized. We're conducting risk assessments, and that becomes a 3-year program where we're planning in 3 years ahead, not right in front of our face. And that creates a sustainable return on investment for an organization. And so that's talking corporately. The workforce helps feed these programs that are growing. But beyond this, so beyond the relevancy component, it's workforce pathways. And so the advanced pathway, we announced a program last summer with Zipline. And Zipline's package delivery company under Part 135. And that is all about, you complete the advanced track of certifications. That can be at the secondary level, that can be at the post-secondary level, and you will receive an interview with Zipline.